Traders trading the breakout. Yes, they did. We love FLUT. It's at $15. It was oversold. It was a buying opportunity. And we came all the way back up to the top. You can take a look at the chart. We made a great deal of money buying call options. We also will set an alert because basically we're testing the tops. So in the morning, we'll be cashing out of the $200 calls that you could have bought pennies on the dollar. Once again, it's my job to put you into winning trades. It's my job to spot them. It's my job to show you what breakouts are in that live trading room. We work extremely well together. We work as a team. And we have our own platforms. You haven't seen them. You're invited to see them. So once again, it's all about how do I get paid? How do I spot the breakout? How do I sell into the top? Take your profits. I will tell you now that we made the calls pay great. Now we're going to look at buying puts when FLUT will pull back, and we're going to get paid on both sides of this trade.